Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing a head gasket replacement on a Honda Civic coupe. We did have this a few videos ago when we were going through all of Michael's customers' vehicles, and this is one of them. So it was having a overheating issue, narrowed it down to the head gasket. So we're going to be doing a quick replacement on that. We might do some step-by-steps as well as a quick time lapse. We'll kind of see how the video plays out. But yeah, let's get right into it. And as mentioned in previous videos, this is just a bone stock D15 non-VTEC, and it's an automatic car. So yeah, I guess customers just wanting the head gasket replaced to do a quick flip on the vehicle. So yeah, once we get the head gasket on there, it should be running good. No overheating issues moving forward. Just like that. Head is off. Oh man, that head gasket's done.
It's a composite head gasket. Those are the cheapest ones.
Look at that thing. Holy cow. Jeez. Yeah. It was begging for a good one.
Oh, yeah.
Holy moly.
It's a composite head gasket. Those are the worst ones to use. Composite is, it's not, it's more like cardboard.
Alright. Finally got the block all cleaned up, and that head gasket did not go quietly. That was fused to the block, something awful. Mike and I just spent about an hour or so cleaning it up, but it looks good now. Head's going off to the machine shop so we can put this bad boy back on tomorrow. Looks great. Heck yeah, dude. Alright, head is back from the machine shop. Not perfect. We did suggest to the customer to get a new head, or honestly a used engine altogether, but he wanted to press forward with the installation, so yeah, we're gonna get it running for him. It is what it is. Alright, head is officially back on. Car is good to go. We already got it pushed out here, and we're gonna hop into another project. We have to do some motor mounts for this red Integra over here, so let's get right into that. So yeah, it is in need of some new mounts. The current bushings are completely shot. Probably can't see from the camera, but you can see from the camera. The motor actually sags a little bit on the right, so it's actually crooked. So with these new mounts, this thing should be running a lot better. I think the customer didn't even have the transmission mount hooked up from what Mike was telling me. So yeah, nonetheless, we're gonna get this guy running right. These new 1320 mounts, I believe this is a customer's daily, so this thing should be running a lot better after we do the mounts for him. Yeah, because right now I would say kind of dangerous to be driving without a transmission mount. Don't do that, guys. Anyhow, let's get right into it.
You want me to get started?
I was about to ask you that, yeah.
Pull out the intake and
Okay.
get that set ready. It's a flathead or an 8mm, actually.
Yeah, one's a flathead, one's an 8 for sure.
Tonight I'm gonna feel alive. Gonna feel alive. Tonight I'm gonna feel Tonight I'm gonna feel
Front mount is on, as well as the transmission mount. Previous transmission mount didn't even have either one of those bolts, just the back one. So now it's for the hard one.
Back mount.
That back mount is definitely a little difficult to get to.
It's the worst one.
Get into that in just a moment. All right, back mount is officially installed. Kind of hard to film that, so didn't include that part in the video, but yes, all mounts are in. 1320 mounts. She is good to go. Alrighty guys, that's gonna sum it up for today's video. I just wanted to give you guys a little midweek action, just some smaller projects that we needed to finish up. We will have another video dropping on Monday, so stay tuned for that. And as always, I'll leave you guys with this. The way to get started is to quit talking and begin doing. That's Walt Disney, and that's also coming from a man who I believe failed over 300 times just by trying to get a loan from an investment or a banker. So hard work and perseverance. Keep pressing forward, guys. Love you all. See you in the next one.